Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Today it's a no-cook simple recipe that can be whipped up in no time and it's everybody's favorite. Any guesses? Yes, it's again another mango recipe. It's nothing but mango lassi. There's nothing fancy about mango lassi. It is simply yogurt, ripe mango or mango pulp and an optional dash of cardamom or saffron and some sweetener. Combine mango pulp or chopped mangoes, some chilled milk, a little sugar or honey in a blender along with yogurt. Adjust the sugar quantity as per the sweetness of the mangoes. A healthier option would be to use honey and to choose a low-fat or fat-free yogurt to cut down the calories. Blend it to a smooth and thick mixture. You can use any one of the following options for flavoring your lassi: cardamom powder, saffron or rose water. If you are using, add them along with the mango or mango pulp and blend. You can also add some ice cubes if you prefer and blend until frothy. Mango lassi is one of the most popular beverages in northern India. This mango lassi drink is a cross between a smoothie and a milkshake. This is such a refreshing drink to have on a hot summer day or with a spicy meal to help cool down the effect of all the spices. Especially here in Europe, it's the most beloved drink in Indian restaurants. Since this is the most requested video in my workshops, I really had to do this. And by the way, I conduct workshops on Indian food culture and traditions here in Hanover. And there you go. The result is this marvelously creamy, tangy, sweet and aromatic drink that is perfect way to cool down on a hot day or works perfect even as a quick breakfast. Pour into serving glasses. If not serving right away, then store it in the refrigerator and serve later. It stays good for about 2 to 3 days and tastes best when served chilled. Finally, you can sprinkle some cardamom powder or garnish with mint leaves and serve. And here I must confess, I don't like to have any extra flavors in my lassi that dominates the flavor of mango. That's just me. But you guys feel free to use whichever flavor suits your taste. Yeah, that was it. How simple was that, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Do try it and let me know how it turned out for you. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. That was it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me, Padma, signing off.